and nobody sees the world the way that it is. We all see the world the way that we are. And we're all different. Even any two native people are going to have different experiences based upon their ages, genders, sexual orientations, experiences, and so forth. There isn't even really such a thing as the Ojibwe culture. It's a collection of interrelated cultures. And of course, there are similarities, but there's also a lot of internal variation, which can be very confusing for those on the outside. But it's also one of the great beauties to the native experience. By the way, the English-speaking world's not all the same, right? Like, what do white people think about abortion, good or bad? It's not that simple, right? And we understand that, yeah, white folk are kind of diverse politically and in a lot of other ways too. It was like that with any group of humans.